Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger, I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Wagwan, my beautiful people.
Wagwan, everybody.
Yeah, man, Island Tribe.
How are we all? I know we've been away for a couple of days now.
Yeah.
We've been busy.
Yeah, man, because the last set of videos was our anniversary videos when we were in Brisbane. Yeah. So yeah, this is just we haven't been vlogging since, you know, and that was like from January 16th. So yeah, I know you guys get the videos a bit delayed still, but you know, yeah, it's not too far off, you see me? So
we're not too far off. We're getting ahead.
Yeah,
we're getting ahead now.
Yeah.
But yeah, like I said, we've been busy. We've been organising our things. So for example, I've been looking for new work, which I have found new work. I can't disclose any information. Everything has to be private. So unfortunately, yes, I do have another job. It's a little bit more stable and so can't really talk much about it. But yeah, and so since then we've just been busy, you know, with the new job and juggling home and everything else. So
yeah, that's what's up, you know. Just a little update, guys, you know. Yeah, man. So
just
you know, we have some ups and downs, some things that we can't disclose at the moment. Is it? But yeah,
nothing to do with me and Babe.
No.
For all those that are thinking something's up, because we haven't put a video out in like 6 or 7 days.
Yeah.
But it's got nothing to do with our relationship. It's just that, you know, life sometimes gets in the way of things, and we have to, you know, look ahead of time. You know, as you all know, Babe recently did a video about his health, and so right now it's a waiting game, you know, trying to get specialist appointments and things.
Yeah,
so
it's not easy.
Yeah, so guys, yeah, that's all on the ball and it's all running and rolling. You know, we've had to put a hold on a few things like the merch that we've been trying to talk to you guys about for a while now. I still haven't found anyone that will, you know, take on the design
that we want.
We want. So yeah, we don't know yet. So we're just putting things on hold for now. But YouTube, we can't put YouTube on hold because I know that we have some very loyal subscribers. And we can't just, you know, up and leave you guys on the lurch. Like, what's going on with the Island family, you know?
And we know how YouTube is with the algorithm. Like, YouTube, you can't take break on YouTube, literally, because the moment you take break, that's when your views start dropping, everything just, you know, start going weird. So, yeah, we're just trying to giving you guys an update, isn't it? So,
just a little update on, you know, our life situations and stuff at the moment. But you know, we're getting there day by day. And
if you guys, we also post videos on our individual channel. Is my Babe channel, Chills with Latina. Is my link will be down in the description. I also post my fishing videos on my channel, which is Island Boy Africa. Link will be down in the description, isn't it?
If you haven't already checked us out.
Yeah, if you don't know of our channel,
yeah,
just check them out in the description.
So yeah, like, you know, with the job, it kind of constricts me from doing a lot of things. So you'll probably see me doing, you know, a lot of, you know, shopping vlogs. Also, I do have something up my sleeve that I've got planned. Just in decor, so decorating and painting and whatnot around the house. So that will come out soon. What else has been happening besides work and family life? We do plan to travel.
Yeah.
Like we did say previously in a few of the vlogs, that we do plan to go to the islands. I'm not going to disclose what island we're going to yet because we're not sure. Because a lot of the islands right now are on lockdown. They're not opening their borders yet. So we still have to wait. Another thing is we've been a little bit easy with the traveling as well because of COVID. COVID's pretty big in Sydney alone. We're getting high numbers. Yeah. So we've just sort of been chilling at home and just, you know, taking it day by day. But you will be seeing some challenges from us.
Yes.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, man. New videos will drop.
I know that everyone wants us to do a part 2 of our stereotypes.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're looking at that.
Yeah, man.
And what else? Babes music at this stage?
I don't want to talk about music for now, you know, leave that on. Yeah, let's leave that for now.
For now? Okay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna leave that for now.
Yeah.
So guys, and Ireland is being Ireland as usual. He's inside at the moment.
Ireland, guys, there's so much that Ireland been doing that is just amazing. Like, he's so smart. Very intelligent, very advanced. He's pronouncing words even more better now, and the things he would do, like for example, you give him something and say, Island, throw that in the bin. He will go and throw it in the bin. Say, Island, pick up your toys. He will pick it up. You know?
I don't know about the pick up the toys
Sometimes.
Sometimes
He's stubborn.
He's,
yeah, but he understands.
Anyways, I'm going to go grab him and you all can see him because I know that somebody said they didn't quite see him much in the last vlog that we did. So I know that Ireland's a star of the show. We aren't the stars of the show, babe. Ireland's a star, right guys? Comment down below because I know that everyone's going to say, yeah, Ireland's a star.
Yeah, we are.
So guys, this is Ireland. Say hi. Say hi to everybody. Give everyone a big kiss. Kisses to, oh!
What is that?
Big kisses, big kisses, big kiss, big kisses.
At the table.
Kisses. Kiss. Yeah. Cool man.
Uh-oh. Who's that boy?
Who's that boy? La, 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 la.
Uh-oh.
Yep, that's one habit he has, guys. He flings things.
Don't do that.
And that's what Alright, say bye everyone. Bye. Bye. Say bye-bye. Kisses. Mwah. Alright. Mwah. Yeah. We love you.
So cute.
We love you. Oh,
look at that,
guys.
Yeah.
Rah. Okay, go rah rah. go rah rah. Here, take this. Take this. Go. Take that. Good boy. So guys,
I'm sweating outside.
It's
guys.
hot, guys. It's about 35 here. It is very hot and humid. We just had a thunderstorm come through here.
Yeah.
Bay was having a rest and I was trying to have a rest and then bang, it just
wake me up.
Yeah, woke him up, but yeah, it's just been so hot, like literally.
Yeah, man.
Before we did this video, I was just
guys,
in a bra, so.
I can tell you, this weather in Australia is nothing joke. It's no joke. Let me tell you that straight up. Jamaica is different. It's hot, but we used to complain about the sun in Jamaica, but now Australia is a total different thing. I tell you can't stay in the sun for even 2-3 minutes long. Like, you literally burn. Your skin are burn. Let me tell you that. So yeah,
it's different.
It's different, man.
Definitely.
Yeah.
But the humidity is similar. It's about the same humidity. It's just the sunburn.
Yeah, it penetrates more, it feels like.
Yeah. So guys, I want to thank you so much if you made it this far into this short little vlog of ours, an update. And we want to say thank you. We're very grateful for all of our loyal subscribers. And
we're really grateful, you know, for everybody who support the channel, support the family, support the tribe, you see me? Yeah, man. Give thanks for your thumbs up, we give thanks for your comment, we give thanks for your subscription, we give thanks to your friends that you share it to, your family member that you share it to, everybody.
Everybody's included.
Yeah, guys.
So guys, thank you so much, and we'll catch you for the next vlog, which will probably be a challenge that I've been wanting to do for some time now. But so the right time will be the right time. So yeah,
man, really want to thank you guys for being here, you know. all the true tribe members. Big up yourself wherever you are. And also drop your flag, guys. You see me? Big up where you're from.
Drop them.
Yeah, man. Or where you're living currently. If you're Jamaican and you're living abroad, you know, big up yourself. Yeah,
big
man.
up yourself, big time.
Not even just Jamaican, but you see me? Whether you're a Latina, Latino, South American, you see me? Just big up yourself.
Wherever you are in the world, even if you're from Nepal, we've been watching some YouTube in the Himalayas and we've been so, oh my gosh, we really want to go to the Himalayas now in Nepal. So anyways, wherever you're from, big up yourselves and big hugs.
Yeah, man. Blessings, guys.
The tribe hug.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get you in the next one.
Next one.
It's the Island family.
It's out. Hey, my people. Wow. Island. Oh.
Alright, let's go.
Wagwan Island tribe.
Alright, let's start it. Wagwan, my beautiful people.
Hi, people. How you all doing?
Wagwan Island tribe.
It just sounded so funny when we started that. Guys, do you want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Oh,
you do the Wagwan.
Wagwan, my beautiful people.
Wagwan, everybody. Asian, Indian.
It's a Muslim. But I don't. We have no Muslim.
I was just thinking.
We have no Muslim fan.
I was just thinking. No, not because of that. I was just thinking. What other nationality? That's not a nationality. I don't think that's a nationality. But